Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to start by making sure the essentials are active. On your iPhone, verify the watch and phone share the same Apple ID and that Find My is enabled. This lets location data flow. Once done, open the Find My app and tap Devices. You'll see your watch listed if it's connected. Tap its name to request a live location or to play a sound. This step links the device to your account and gives you immediate tracking controls. Now focus on finding precise location and options. Tap the watch entry to center the map and note the last seen timestamp. Accuracy depends on GPS and network. If it's nearby, press play sound so the watch emits a tone, good for couch cushions or a short walk. If it's not nearby, tap directions to open maps and navigate to the location. Finally, turn on Notify when found to get an alert the next time the watch reconnects to the network or your phone. Finish by securing the device and handling problems. If you can't reach it, enable Lost Mode to lock the screen, show a contact number, and suspend payments. This prevents misuse while preserving location attempts. Only choose Erase if you accept losing data and tracking. If the watch shows offline, remember it could be powered off, out of range, or out of battery. Check your iPhone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and sign into iCloud. Calm to view the last seen time. If still stuck, wait for Notify when found or contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.